So here's a simple way to reduce the person's weight on Photoshop. First, select this layer, make sure to unlock it, and then go to filter, and then go ahead and click on this liquify. And it's it pop up with another menu, just like this. So choose the size like 100 and maybe like 20, and then start to liquefy this body just like that. Like how much you wanted to reduce the weight, you can do that, but you need to do like precisely. It should take some time. And there you go, guys. We have lost some weight. Now I can press on OK as I'm happy with this image. So this is how it looked like, and this is what it looked like before. It's that simple. Thanks so much for watching.